How to ask follow-up question in Google AI mode. Here's how. To begin with, open Google on your phone. Make sure Google AI mode is enabled. Likewise, click on the message bar at the bottom of the screen. To start the conversation, type a clear and specific question. For example, let us ask what are the health benefits of drinking a green tea. Then press the arrow to submit your question, and Google AI will respond in a few seconds. Once the AI replies, stay in the same chat thread. This way the AI keeps track of your conversation. After that, ask a follow-up question directly in the same message bar. Make sure it connects to what was previously discussed. Most importantly, you can ask as many follow-up questions as you like. There is no limit, so feel free to keep the conversation going until you get the clarity. There you go. This is how to ask follow-up question in Google AI mode.